Hey everybody, so today we are in my bathroom and we're going to do a get unready with me, and I'm going to show you my nightly skincare routine, how I remove my makeup, all of that business. First of all, because I know I'm going to get asked, there's not a tutorial on this look, but it's literally just red eyeshadow blended out with warm brown and some eyeliner. I will have my makeup details listed down below, but let's just get on to taking off the makeup because it's time. It's time. So first I need to secure my hair back a little bit better. Now when I just take off my lashes, I literally just take them off. Like, I just pop them right off and then put them back on the tray so that I can reuse them again. I don't know if I don't think that's necessarily the right way to do it. I know a lot of people will like take micellar water and do all that, but I just take it off. Same with my lipstick. I just take a reusable cotton round and just take it off. Sometimes if I'm wearing a liquid lipstick, I will go in with the next product and take off my liquid lipstick. And then to remove my makeup, I use the Verst Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. This stuff is so nice. It smells incredible and it literally takes off your makeup so well. Like, so well. It is stupid. So what I do is I just take a little dollop of this, massage it everywhere where I'm wearing makeup, and then I just take a washcloth and wipe it off. And this is the first step of like a double cleanse. So I just take, you know, however much, depending on how much makeup I'm wearing. This does have eucalyptus oil, so I don't know, it seems like weird to put around your eyes, but it's never bugged my eyes. So I just really massage it everywhere, especially if I'm wearing liquid eyeliner. And then just take my rag and just wipe it off. And I will go in multiple times if I need to. Like if I'm really wearing a lot of makeup, or if, you know, I just missed a spot, whatever. So I just go in, wipe the cleansing balm away, and rinse my face. Okay, so most of the makeup is removed. I just rinsed my face as well. And then the next thing that I go in morning and night with this. And this is the Paula's Choice Hydrating Gel to Cream Cleanser. And you will see this line come up a lot in my skincare routine. I love this Paula's Choice line so much. I've been using it for the last like month and a half or so. I love it. This cleanser is just so easy. Comes out like you know, a gel, and then it turns into like a foamy cream. So once you add a little bit of water, it just suds up really nicely, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped. I love this stuff. It is just so nice. So just go in and massage my skin. Make sure I get all the makeup off, the corners, underneath, all of that. And then just patting my skin dry with a clean towel. Perfect. And now our skin is clean and ready for the next product. So when I feel like pampering myself, or when I feel like more of like a physical exfoliant, which I know people are going to yell at me because it's a rough exfoliant, but shut up, I love this face mask. It is the Lush Cup of Coffee face mask. This is my favorite face mask ever. So on nights where I'm not using my liquid exfoliant that I'm about to talk about, or when I just, you know, feel like pampering myself, putting on a face mask, this is the face mask that I go to. It is, again, a cup of coffee by Lush. I love this shit so much, and I will leave it on my skin for like 45 minutes. It just feels so good. And then I rinse. I'm really gentle when I rinse it because it is a really gritty face mask, so I don't like scrub my face with it. I just, you know, softly rinse it. But oh my god, it's my favorite. And then real quick, I want to talk about these reusable cotton rounds that I have found. I'll link them down below, but I got them from Amazon and they just look so nice. I am obsessed with them. They're just black cotton rounds and they're reusable. It comes with this nice little like washing bag, and I've been trying to be more sustainable with, you know, especially my beauty care. I've been trying to be more sustainable in general, but especially with my beauty care, I'm just trying not to use as many disposable items. So makeup wipes is my first thing that I needed to kill from my makeup routine, and then cotton rounds was the next. So I really, really like those cotton rounds. So when I'm not doing a face mask, then I go in with the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I feel like at some point you have heard about this. This shit is like magic. You're talking like getting rid of clogged pores. This shit is incredible. So I just do this once a day, and I just put a little bit on the corner of my cotton round because I use these multiple times. I'll use like one side and then the other and then flip it over. But I just go from the center of my face and work my way out. Okay, and then this next step is relatively new, so I don't have like a lot to say about it, but I will say it is really nice. This is the Verst 0G Smoothing Eye Cream. I just, you know, have had really, really bad under eye circles, which I know it's genetic, so like no amount of creams or potions can help me there. But I'm also getting some fine lines and wrinkles because I'm getting into my, you know, mid to late 20s. So I just wanted to try out an eye cream. So far I really like this. It's nice and hydrating, not too heavy. So I just gently apply that to my under eyes. And then for my nighttime moisturizer, I use the Paula's Choice Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer. Again, this is all from the Defense skincare line, so I will link the kit that I bought down below. Incredible. It is so good. And then my daytime moisturizer is another Paula's Choice one. Let me just show you. So for the daytime, what I do is I wash my face and then I apply this underneath my makeup. It is the Paula's Choice Essential Glow Moisturizer with SPF 30. So this is my new day-to-day, everyday moisturizer, and it's really nice and thick and hydrating, but doesn't leave my skin oily. It just leaves my skin prepped and ready to go. And it's also really, really pretty just by itself because it gives your skin like a very natural glow. But for nighttime, we use the Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer. So I just apply that everywhere, down my neck, up my neck, whatever. And then I usually let that just kind of chill and settle into my skin a little bit before the last step. Okay, and then I don't do this every night, but I do it more nights than not. Then the last step I take is the Derma E Radiant Glow Face Oil. This stuff is so nice. It has jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. But what I do is I just take like a little, probably like 3 drops, and I just press this into my skin just to add some extra moisture, just to really condition my skin. Ever since I started using oils in my skincare routine, I've never gone back. I really haven't. I also love the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. That shit is bomb. I found that marula, jojoba, and rosehip have been my favorite oils. Rosehip probably the most. And ever since I started using rosehip oil in my skincare routine a couple years ago, I haven't stopped. Oils they just really do something else for just making your skin so radiant and beautiful. I'm obsessed. And then the last thing is lip balm, because I hate wearing lip balm through the day because it gets on the inside of my mask, so I really try to hydrate my lips at night. I go back and forth. I really love the raw sugar lip balms, but tonight I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. I think I've talked about this in a favorites video. It is just, it's bomb. It's so thick and rich and creamy. And that's it. And now we're ready for bed. Our skin is refreshed and clean and feeling nice and moisturized. So that's it. That's my nighttime skincare routine and kind of my daytime skincare routine because I use the same products or the products I showed you. Y'all know what I mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!